Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can create a table on Canva. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first step, you want to come to canva.com and log in into your account. Once you're in Canva, you want to go on presentation. You can go on presentation or any other type of slide you want, alright? But in presentation, it's easy to create slide. So let the page load up, and once the page loads up for your presentation file, what you want to do is be on the element section over here. And once you're in the element section, over here at the top where it says search, you want to write table. And once you search for table, it's going to show you all these different kind of charts. You can choose whichever you want. Let's say I want something like this. I can click on it and the chart is going to be added over here, or also known as table. Now I can increase its size like this, as you guys can see, and the size will be increased over here. I can even increase the size of an individual boxes over here like this. As you guys can see, you can play around with it and create, like, whichever shape or format kind of box you want. And on top of the box, you can even write something like this. So I'm going to write name over here. Once I write name over here, I can write the name of the person like Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, like this. Now I can write team and write their name. So this is basically how you guys can create a chart, alright, or also known as table on Canva. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this.